Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit blue and bronze filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to -0.20. Contrast to +58. Highlights to -36. Shadows to +60. Whites to -60. And blacks to +85. Next go to Curve. And follow these steps. And done. Next go to the Color panel. Temp to -5. Tint to +1. Adjust vibrance to +5. Saturation to +25. And then go to Color Mix. First go to Red color. Adjust hue to +100. Saturation to +16. Luminance to +25. Next go to Orange. Luminance to +22. Go to Yellow. Hue to -100. Saturation to +6. Next go to Green. Hue to -100. Saturation to -100. Adjust luminance to +5. Go to Light Blue. Adjust saturation to -100. Go to Dark Blue. Adjust saturation to -76. Luminance to -18. Next go to Purple. Saturation to -100. Go to Pink. Adjust saturation to -100. And done. Next go to Effects panel. Clarity to +71. To Ace to +7. Adjust Vignette to -10. And Feather to 86. Next go to Split Toning. Highlights H to 225 and S to 15. Shadows H to 225 and S to 15. And done. Next go to Detail panel. Sharpening to 7. Adjust noise reduction to 19. And color noise reduction to 31. Smoothness to 65. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.